Hello guys, in this video we will see what is texture not loading in COD Warzone and how to fix it. We'll cover everything you need to know. Let's get started.
Step understanding. Texture, not loading. Content texture, not loading, often appearing as blurry environments, low resolution character models, or missing visual details in Call of Duty. Warzone occurs when the game client fails to render high resolution textures properly. This can manifest as pop-in textures, where details suddenly appear or entire areas remaining featureless and blocky. Common underlying causes include issues with the game's texture, streaming system, insufficient video RAM on the graphics card, corrupted game files, outdated graphics drivers, or network connectivity problems hindering the download of on-demand textures. Diagnosing this problem typically involves observing consistently poor texture quality, even after prolonged gameplay.
Step: perform basic troubleshooting. Verified game files. Content: begin with the simplest, yet often effective solutions. First, fully close Warzone Battle.net launcher and any other demanding applications. Then restart This clears temporary data and can resolve transient software glitches. If the issue persists, proceed to verify and repair the game files through the Battle.net launcher. Navigate to the Warzone tab, click the gear icon options and select Scan and Repair. This process checks for corrupted or missing game files and redownloads any necessary components, ensuring your game installation is intact and consistent.
Step: adjust in-game graphics settings. Content: access Warzone's in-game graphics settings and specifically focus on texture-related options. Lowering the texture resolution or texture quality to normal or low is often the most impactful step. Reducing the RAM demand. Also, adjust texture filter and isotropic to a lower setting like normal or low. Critically look at on-demand texture streaming and consider disabling it entirely if your internet connection is unstable or slow, as this feature downloads high-resolution textures in real time. If you experience stutters, disabling it might alleviate streaming bottlenecks, though it could result in slightly less detailed visuals without a fast connection.
Step: update graphics drivers and operating system. Content: outdated graphics drivers are a frequent culprit for rendering issues. Ensure your drivers are up to date by visiting the official website of your graphics card manufacturer, NVIDIA and/or Intel, and downloading the latest stable drivers specifically for your model. Perform a clean installation of these drivers, if possible. Additionally, ensure your Windows operating system is fully updated, as system updates often include performance enhancements and bug fixes that can directly impact game stability and driver compatibility, preventing conflicts that lead to texture loading failures.
Step: manage shader preloading and monitor RAM usage. Content: Call of Duty Warzone heavily relies on pre-cached shaders for optimal performance and texture rendering. If texture issues persist, navigate to the graphics settings in Warzone and find the option to restart shaders installation or install shaders. Allow this process to complete fully before playing. This rebuilds the shader cache, which can resolve corruption issues. Furthermore, monitor your RAM usage, often displayed within Warzone's graphics settings. If the RAM usage bar is consistently in the red or close to your burst total RAM, it indicates an overload. Reduce other demanding graphics settings like shadow map resolution, particle quality, or volumetry lighting in conjunction with texture settings to free up RAM and prevent texture streaming failures.